today I will quickly be unboxing the Nintendo Switch Lite. I know that the original Nintendos are sold out, but I was able to get my hands on a Lite version to unbox. The Lite was also cheaper in stock and came in different colors. I'm really excited on playing Animal Crossing, especially with my friends, so that was a huge motivator. Oh yeah, also if you hear background noise, just know that it is my fan. It is hot here in California, so this is absolutely necessary. Before we continue, make sure you leave a like on this video, comment, and most importantly, subscribe if you support this channel. It always means a lot to me. Let's get on to the video. I bought a case for my Lite on Amazon, which I will also be unboxing. I have not touched this, even though I've been wanting to this whole day. Pretty big size. I thought it was honestly going to be smaller, so I was a bit worried. It's the back. You can see yourself. Okay, so this is the way the case looks on it. It has these grip things. It feels heavier with the case on, which I prefer. In yellow, the color is much more vibrant in person, for any of those wondering. I've been here for hours. This can't seem to download. Do you see this? 60 hours. Okay. I will be back tomorrow morning to obviously set this up because this is not going to plan. It's the next morning. Animal Crossing finished downloading, so we're gonna load that up for the first time. Okay guys, so I have to choose my island. So I think I like this cute little island. I'm gonna choose that one. Okay everyone, so this was the, oh shit, are you gonna leave me if I don't follow? Probably. Oh my gosh, I got pears! I don't know if that's good or not. I guess everyone gets a native fruit. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.